Hey everyone. In this video, we will show you how to pause the recording, mute or unmute mic, disable or enable camera during the session. To pause the recording, simply locate the pause button near the recording indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on the pause button to temporarily halt the recording. To resume recording, click on the play button. Next, you can easily mute or unmute your microphone during the session. To mute your microphone, click on the microphone icon located on the screen. Click on the microphone icon again to unmute and resume audio transmission. Similarly, you can control your camera settings during the session. Click on the camera icon on the screen. This will turn off your camera and your video feed will no longer be visible to other participants. Click on the camera icon again to re-enable your camera and resume video transmission. It's important to note that any portion of the session where the recording was paused will not be reflected in the recorded output.